Hey guys, check this out. I actually just bought a brand new GoPro. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's just a visual effect. Yo, what's good everyone? It's Cinou here and welcome back to another cool video editing tutorial. Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you can apply to any footage that is on your device right now a fisheye lens effect. Now this effect is actually really cool and impressive. I've seen so many movie makers use it, and you can even use it to create intros and stuff. So without being said, let's get started with this video. Okay, so in order to achieve this effect, all what you have to do is to go ahead to the description down below and download this app from Google Play Store, which is VizMaker. It's a really cool video editor, and it might be an underrated video editor right now, but this app is actually gonna give you a really cool effect, which I think are mind-blowing. So once you download your app, all what you have to do is to go ahead and open it up, and as you can see, the interface is really user-friendly. So simply press on this option, and then as you can see, you can choose wherever video you guys would like to edit. Simply tap on it to import it. As you can see, when you import it, you will see the footage right over here in the center of the screen, and below that you will see all of the effect that this app allows you to use. Now the fisheye lens effect is actually in the right, so all what you have to do is to scroll right to see more options. And as you can see right over here, this is the lens effect. So what you have to do to apply it to the video is to simply tap on it and just wait through the whole video. Or another way that you can actually make the effect look cooler on your video, just press on it multiple times, and as you can see, it gives you this really cool shaking effect. Now it really depends on the scenario that you are using this effect in. Now for example, if you are making a short movie about skateboarding, you can actually go ahead and apply this effect through the whole video, and it's gonna look so amazing. And if you are, for example, making a sync intro, you can just import your intro right over here and spam that button depending on how the beat plays, and the results will be really cool. So as you saw, the effect looks really amazing and so easy to apply it to our videos. I personally like this effect, and I'm probably gonna use it in my future videos. But anyways, that unfortunately wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Now before I sign off, I just want to say I'm really sorry for not uploading that much recently. I used to upload 2 videos in a week, but now like I am not in that schedule anymore. And the reason behind that is that the exams are actually right around the corner, so I really have to focus on studying. As you might know guys, I am in college right now, and low-key, if I don't study, mom is gonna kill me. No, I'm just kidding, she's not gonna kill me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely go ahead and drop a like if you did enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.